Thank you for inviting me to speak with you today about the bill I introduced with Congressman Fitzpatrick, the GYMS Act 890. I know I'm preaching to the choir when I say the fitness industry has taken a tremendous hit as a result of the pandemic. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, many Americans have become hyper aware of their own health and fitness and have taken steps to improve their personal health in the face of the virus. At the exact same time, thousands of gyms and fitness facilities have been forced to close their doors to protect against the spread of the virus. At least 44% of the jobs in the industry, 1.4 million jobs, have been lost. Without federal assistance, I know we can expect these numbers will only get worse and we'll lose even more gyms. That's why Representative Fitzpatrick and I introduced legislation last year when the scope of the problem became clear. This year, we've introduced an updated version called the GYMS Act HR 890. Our bill would provide $30 billion to the SBA to disperse grants to eligible fitness businesses. Businesses would be required to certify economic need, and recipients can use those funds for expenses such as payroll, rent, mortgage obligations, utility payments, worker protection, expenditures like PPP, and more. The initial grant would be 45% of the 2019 revenue, capped at $20 million. And businesses with extreme need may qualify for additional grants. We recognize businesses of all sizes are in need of this assistance, and our bill does not preclude a business based on the number of employees they have. The PPP provided a temporary solution, in some cases didn't even work for your businesses. This is why our bill is different. It provides targeted grants that will specifically help the fitness industry. Direct assistance has been provided to other industries, and it's important that we include this industry as well. Despite my many efforts, the GYMS bill was not included in the House-passed American Rescue Plan. I appreciate all of you who have helped bring support to the legislation, and this is not the end of the road. There are already talks of other stimulus packages, and we mustn't let up the pressure now. We need your continued support to amplify the need and importance of the GYMS Act for your businesses. The federal government needs to provide assistance to your businesses, which are hurting through no fault of your own. As you well know, if we don't, it will be a disaster for the loss of small business and the loss of local jobs. And it would be a disaster for the communities and individuals who rely on your gyms to help them stay healthy. I will continue to do what I can to push for this financial support until your facilities receive the assistance they need.